Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Thembelihle Ndlozi and I'm based in Rustenburg. I am the founder of Kwanda, Handmade Luxury, and we do bead accessories and crochet clothing. I started my business because I had no direction of what I wanted to do and had dropped out of varsity, and I discovered that I love art and I'm a creative, so I kept going until it became a business. We do bead accessories and crochet clothing customized to how you want it in all colors that you want. You can find us on Facebook at Kwanda Handmade Luxury, also on Instagram and TikTok. To order, you can WhatsApp also on 066 0055 606. Hi, my name is Thembelihle Ndlozi and I'm a township entrepreneur.